You guys, today we are back with another Zeelool haul. Zeelool was so amazing to send me over a surprise box of goodies. So in today's video, I will be showing and reviewing the glasses that they sent me. This is all a complete surprise, so I'm really excited to see these, okay? As you know, if you see that blue box, you know what this is. Yes. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I didn't get any prescription glasses today. And as you guys know, they always send you a PD ruler, which is for the pupil distance. Really good to have. I also have a coupon here. And if you guys want to be able to just go straight to Zeelool from the video, go ahead and scan this here QR code. Be sure to follow Zeelool on all of their socials, and I'll be sure to have those linked below as well. Also inside of my package, as always, they send you wipes so that you're able to clean off your glasses, and they send you enough for every pair that you order. And then of course, the star of the show, all of our glasses. As you guys know, with Zeelool, you can shop online. They have a really cool try-on tool, which I utilized the first time that I ever received glasses from Zeelool. It literally is so accurate. If you guys haven't seen that already, I'll be sure to link that video down below, but it is this video here. And in this video, I used that really cool tool to see what the glasses would look like on myself before making the commitment to just go ahead and select that style. It works really, really well, and it's so accurate, it surprised me. But yeah, you can go ahead, order online, everything one-stop shop. If you have prescriptions, you like transition glasses, sunglasses, and you need those with your prescription, as well as blue light blocking glasses, which is a huge thing for me. So typically whenever I'm working from like my computer, or I'm like constantly on my devices, editing or anything like that, I personally prefer to use blue light blocking glasses. When you're constantly staring at a screen all day, it's definitely something that's needed just to protect your eyes from the light of our phones, our laptops, iPads, televisions, computers, whatever. You definitely want to make sure that you are protecting your sight. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into the try-on haul. Okay, let's see which pair we're gonna try on first. The first pair. Look at that. That is so pretty, you guys. Oh my God, look. Love that sound. This is a yellow and tortoiseshell. Oh my God, wait. This is so cute. Let me wipe these off. This is super duper cute. I've been wanting glasses that have pops of color. They definitely chose a great pair to send me. Can you guys see? So it has the tortoiseshell detailing on the sides and on the top. And I love that it also has this little clear peekaboo part right here. It's like a little window. That's so cool. And then it has this really pretty yellow. It has this really pretty yellow down here. Let's go ahead and try these on. You guys, I love these, and they complement my face so well. I have a very round face, and I absolutely love glasses that kind of like have that cat eye kind of feature to them. These are so cute. Wow. How do you guys feel about this pair? These are so cute. Wow. Okay. Okay. I need to actually do some editing today, so let me go ahead and put these to the side. I'm like, ooh, I love me some really cute glasses, you guys. Okay, and so for the second pair, okay, we're in the same family. So it has this really pretty print up here. So pretty. This is so pretty. And then it has like this really pretty jelly kind of green down here. Wow. I'm loving these pops of color so far. This is so pretty. It's like the jade color that I have on like with my jewelry and stuff. Let's go ahead and try these on. Let's see what these look like. No, wait, because, wait a minute. This is so cute. I feel like I look like a really cute librarian. Look at these. Wow. I like these a lot. These are so cute. I thought that they were gonna look a little too big. These are definitely more in the boxier kind of family than the previous pair. But the really cool thing about it is it still has like that cat eye angle to it. And the squared edges on the bottom, it's more slim than like super wide, just blocky glasses, which is really, really nice. Still has like a really nice, cute, feminine, elegant kind of feel to it. I love these, and I like these kind of glasses. They don't necessarily have that piece on the inside to pinch my nose. I do have a little bit of a flatter nose bridge, so being able to wear some glasses comfortably and like not having that piece on the inside constantly moving and like pinching my face and messing up my makeup is really nice. So next pair. This is so pretty. These are matte and they're one solid color, which is, it's like a hunterish kind of green, I would say. Not a shape of glasses that I would pick for myself personally, but let's see what they were thinking when they picked this pair out for me. Let's see. Oh. I never doubted them. I never doubted you guys, but wow. These are so cute. This might be my new favorite pair, honestly. I cannot get over the fact that it does not have that little nose piece in here, and these actually sit on my nose correctly. Like, it's so comfortable. What do we think about this one, you guys? What do we think? Let me know down in the comment section. What do we think about this pair? These are so cute. Do I look smart? And they don't mess up my makeup. You guys see this? I don't have any, yeah. Those like little pieces really just pinch in, and I don't like that. Let's go in with the next pair and see what we got. Ooh, something with a little razzle dazzle. This one has like little crystals in it, little rhinestones. That's really cute. So if I really want to spruce up and wear some like really cute glasses, I think that this would be great. Wow. So, okay. It has the rhinestones here above the ear, and it also has like the stars. And then we have some stars here as well as the rhinestones. And then we have like the 3D stars as well, all around. These are really cute. Let's see. I love this shape on me. Like, this is so cute. I love these. Honestly, it's surprising me because I did not expect for me to get something like this and to react this way. Like, these are so stinking cute. Let's put a little flash on these. You guys see that? These are so cute. Wow. You guys are just gonna see me like post it up with my glasses. But the thing is, I really utilize my glasses. So to have more fun pops of color, especially for someone who wears a lot of black like me, this is so needed. And then something like this with a very fun texture. And I love like sparkly things. I just think that that is so amazing. Okay, now we have a clear pair. And I would say that the shape of this is very similar to the Hunter green pair that we just looked at, the matte green ones. I like how simple this one is. You definitely need versatility in your options. That's cute. Really nice, clear pair of glasses. Always need a pair of these. And just as I expected. Just as I expected. Super cute. Like, I don't know who they have on their design team when it comes to glasses, what they are thinking, but these are so cute. They're so cute. I love a good clear pair. That was actually the first pair of blue light glasses I've ever purchased, was a clear pair, because I was just like, I don't really know what to go with. Oh my God, these guys. The last pair, they did this. Look at this. Red and gold. I'm not gonna lie, the shape, I've never got glasses shaped like this before, so I'm intrigued. And it does have that little nose piece on the inside, so let's see. This is the one pair that they sent me like this, so let's see what we got going on. Really cute jelly red detailing along the side and along the top, and then it has like silver screws along here. This along the trim is gold. Let's see how this sits on my face, especially with my nose. Oh, okay. Scratch everything I said, because I'm pleasantly surprised. Honestly, this sits up on my nose the way that it's supposed to, and it's really comfortable. So this is the first pair of glasses that really sit well like this with these pieces on the inside. I don't know if it's because this is more square and normally I get like the cat eye ones or something like that, but this is really nice. So as you guys can see, I love these glasses. These here are from Zeelool as well. You see the name on the inside? These are the glasses I always wear, always. Thinner on the outside. You see that it has the red, and then it has like this really cute design on the bottom. Completely different, right? Again, it does not have the little nose piece, but these are surprisingly so comfortable and cute. Like, I really like these, you guys. I don't know, what do you think? What do you think? Like, honestly, this surprised me. This really did surprise me. And then I'll just put these on so you guys can see. These are the glasses I always wear. So, in comparison to the things that they've sent me, I think they know my taste and they definitely have my style down. These are my absolute favorite go-to. They're so lightweight and I always wear these. These poor things are worn down. They are by far my favorite glasses. I've not found any as good. I have also ordered prescription glasses from Zeelool and they come in perfect, like chef's kiss. Everyone that I know is now wearing the glasses. It's a lot better than having to go in and spend tons of money on these designer frames and stuff when you really don't need it. You need something that's good quality at an affordable and a really good price, and that is definitely Zeelool. So be sure, if you want to order anything from Zeelool or you want to pick up anything that you guys saw me try on today, then please check the description box. I will have everything linked, and don't forget to use my discount code that I have available for you guys so you can save some money on your order as well. I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao.